Hey guys, welcome to another episode on Kind Spirit Tech. So now we are going to cover subjects of table of content, a list of figures and a list of tables. And in front of you I have already one document created for the purpose of this tutorial. So if you have been following this series, you should be familiar with everything up to now. So in first line we have our document class set to report. Then we have input encoding set to UTF-8. Then we use the Lipsum package. Immediately after it's graphic X package for images, and then so first command after begin document line, it's a renew command, a chapter name. So what this command does, instead of providing chapter text in front of this number of chapter, we are actually going to print nothing, or we could actually print ch, something like this, you see. Then we have first chapter title with chapter command, then first section, and then some text from Lipsum. Then we have second section and again text from Lipsum. Then we have a second chapter title in here, then section named table section, and immediately after we have two example tables. And now we have second part. In second part, chapter 3, first chapter title. Let me show you. Yes, it's in here. Then we have a section title, and we have one figure with this PS3 controller image. Now, if you want to create table of content, just go at the beginning of your document and use command table of contents. Save it, and now go to the beginning, and as you see, we have our content. So what table of contents actually does? It actually mimics the entire structure of your document. You don't have to do actually anything yourself. You are just going to section your document in any way you like, and then with this command everything is going to be created for you. And another thing that I want to show you for this episode, it's how to create appendix and a list of tables and a list of figures. So for this purpose I'm going to use another package. This is new one. It's called appendix, and we are going to use option table of content and page. Now go to the bottom of your document, and first thing that I actually want to do is to create some empty space in between appendix and the rest of table of content, and that we are going to do with option add to contents. We are going to add to table of content, and instead of text provide vertical space of 2 centimeters. You could actually provide new page if you like that. Now begin appendices and end. Like this. Now, in order to create a list of tables, you just have to provide command list of tables, and of course for list of figures. Save it, and now as you see we have our appendices at page 10. So go down there to the bottom of our document. You see we have one page for appendices, and now we have one page for list of tables. So we have first and second table at page 6, and on 12th page we have list of figures, and we have only one figure with that image of PS3 controller on page 8. And if you actually want to add additional content to your appendices, you could do it in simple way. Just provide chapter, like in any other chapter. Let's call it like this. Then and content 2 lipsum 1. Save it, and now we should have additional elements. So additional content 1 in appendix 1 and appendix B additional content 2. And let's see our table of content. So we have some vertical space and additional content 1 and additional content B. So that would be all for this episode, guys. If you like this content, please subscribe and see ya.